We took off like rockets bright, eyes wide open, hearts in flight. Wandering, we leading the way through magic lands where dreams play. Spinning teacups, dizzy world, lost in laughter, boy and girl. Pirates sailing ships of gold, tales of wonders new and old. Wheelies, wheel rolls through the park, every ride a spark in the dark. From castles high to space so far, adventure shines like a star. Dumbo soaring, touch the sky, with Wheelie we fly so high. Splashing logs and haunted halls, together we're making calls. Lions roaring in parades, nighttime fireworks, big cascades. Wheelies charm, our hearts abide, every moment let's collide. Wheelies, wheel rolls through the park, every ride a spark in the dark. From castles high to space so far, adventure shines like a star. Dumbo soaring, touch the sky, with Wheelie we fly so high. Splashing logs and haunted halls, together we're making calls. Lions roaring in parades, nighttime fireworks, big cascades. Wheelies charm, our hearts abide, every moment let's collide. Wheelies, wheel rolls through the park, every ride a spark in the dark. From castles high to space so far, adventure shines like a star. Cruising down the highway, sunshine on our way. Freedom in the air tonight, living life, feeling right. Home on wheels, here we go. Adventures calling, don't you know? Every turn a brand new sight, under stars we light the night. Live life unlimited, let's dance. Spin your wheels, give it a chance. Every moment, feel the thrill. Travel on, we always will. City lights or mountain breeze, wandering free as we please. Every sunset, every ray, we live large, night and day. Live life unlimited, let's dance. Spin your wheels, give it a chance. Every moment, feel the thrill. Travel on, we always will. Rolling on, never slow. Hearts on fire, watch us glow. Anywhere we'll make our mark, yeah. Underneath the starlit dark.
Well, we're heading back to the van. It's been an absolutely fantastic day. We've loved it, but my feet, they're swollen, they hurt. I don't think I've walked as far in my life before, but well worth it. The drone show, the light show at the end was just phenomenal. And would we come back? Absolutely yes.
But on a serious note, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time when we're going to be in a different country again.